So this is the magnifying glass with built-in LED that makes it really very useful while using it. Now on and off switch also has a plastic fitting on it. Let's open it and see what's inside it. Here is a board, which is probably step-up converter. I'm pretty sure about it. And it has, you can see, there is an inductor, and this is the switch. This is the inductor, and inductor could be 10 microhenry or 100 microhenry. Now this is an 8-pin SMD integrated chip, which is MC34063, which is actually an oscillator integrated chip, and it's being used in most of the step up step down converter. So currently we are using it as a step down converter in it because it needs to power the LED, which are being operated at 5 volts, and this whole light is actually uses this light uses 1.5 volts AA size batteries, 2 in series, so that creates 3 volts roughly, we can say. So here are some helping components with it, and which creates the oscillator circuit, and to make it work in that way, some SMD capacitors, resistors, all the specific values. I'll try to give the link in the description about the circuit diagram of this step-up converter. While this is not the topic right now, the topic is to make it rechargeable, because AAA or AA size batteries are really very common and easily available in the market, but they it's just a mess when you are trying to replace them. Most of them are not available with you when you need them, and the market is off. It could be off time. This is 14500 3.7 volts lithium battery, and it's exactly the size of AA size. So I'll take the positive side and make this wire a little bit more lengthy to take it at the positive side of the battery. Now remaining side of the battery connected to a strip that makes the 2 AA size in series, but we're not gonna use that, so we'll take that spring with the strip out, and we'll take this positive side to the battery positive side. So to do so, we need to make the wire a little bit longer. So I think I need to replace the wire, and then I need to put the wire there in this place. So I need to take this strip out. The metal piece has been eliminated successfully. Well, let's take a look. This was the piece that creates the series connection, and we see this in most of the TV remotes and the air conditioner remotes, etc. This is TP4056, and it has this connection which gives the battery output separate, and it also it also have the battery low voltage cutoff, and battery high voltage cutoff is of course it's inside this TP4056. So to charge this, we'll use that kit. Now the problem is, where would I paste it inside this light? We have the space. Firstly, we need to take a look if we can adjust the connection somewhere else, but I don't think that I need to change the connection. But let's check if it's working, and let's turn on the switch. It turns on perfectly. That means this battery can be used, and as we see, it's going to be rechargeable. We don't need to worry about the timing of the battery, that how much time it would keep turn on the light. In case if it gets slow, we can charge it easily. So firstly I need to remove this positive wire. Let's remove this. Okay, this wire has been removed. And now I need to place this thing here. This place. It looks a little bit tricky, but I think it should be easy. I also need to cover it later, so this piece should not disturb me while doing that. I just fast forward it because there are some of the unnecessary steps for a lot of people. So we see we do have a lot of space to fit this charging module, so let's unsolder the connections. So we need to take the output. The process is really very simple. We need to take the output from the charging module and connect it to the circuit, and then the battery connections of the charging module will be connected to the battery side, positive and negative. Of course, we need to take care about this. There is, you know, positive and negative written on the module, of course, and also there is written input and output. So let's fast forward the process once again. To stick the board in place, I will use some hot glue and make sure to leave the space for the battery while applying hot glue. Now I have used this cutter and my soldering iron to create a hole to fit this Type-C jack. It was available easily in the market, so I just have bought a lot of jacks like this, so I may be using in future projects. And to I need to make the hole a little bit fine by using file. I need to rub the edges, clean it a little bit so the jack could be easily inserted inside it. This the connections, I will use positive and negative of it. Will be going to the jack side, positive negative input of the charging module, so need additional 2 wires for that purpose. So now it's completed, battery is inside it, and you can see it's working. It should work. It's a normal kind of thing, but I think what's special in it was that Type-C input jack and the size, of course, AA size battery was available. It's a lithium battery. We got the protection for it of the charging and even discharging, so we can say it's a kind of battery management system inside it. So here we got the plastic fitting placed at the place where it belongs to, and it's working. It's really very cool. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.